How to use your Bi-Phase Shampoo Bar. Start by wetting your Bi-Phase bar in the shower and rubbing between your hands to activate it. Glide the shampoo side, that's the activated bamboo side, the black side, all over the top of your hair. Then, wet your bar again and gently rub in circles all over your hair to cleanse the hair and the scalp. Continue wetting the bar and rubbing in circles. A shampoo bar is a concentrated shampoo, so it needs water to activate it and foam up. You'll begin to see and feel the creamy foam it produces as it cleanses. Don't use your nails, just the pads of your fingers. Be gentle on your scalp. After rinsing thoroughly, wet the conditioner side of the Bi-Phase bar, the white side. And once again, gently glide the conditioner side over the hair. This will deposit the conditioner as it smooths down and protects the cuticle of the hair. Don't forget to do the same over the length of your hair and the very important ends of your hair. We recommend using a large comb or pick on the hair while you're still in the shower with conditioner on. This is the best time to comb, and it ensures the conditioner is all over your hair. Then you can rinse out completely and enjoy your beautifully clean and conditioned hair. Have fun!